Hi, I'm James Buckley, Culinary Director for Levy. Today we're going to be making a mushroom and Guinness pie. A little celebration, a nod to Guinness for St Patrick's Day. And we're going for a full plant-based pie, so we've got a vegan shortcrust pastry. Very keen that we start pushing for as many plant-based pies as possible, because let's face it, the best thing about a pie is a real juicy, flavoursome gravy and the pastry. You don't necessarily need meat in it to make it a good pie. Let's promote the plant and let's eat sustainably. First step, we are going to, you can either roast the mushrooms or we can pan fry them. We're going to fry them off with some onions, garlic, a little pinch of these herbs in there, tiny little bit of sugar just to hit one of those taste buds. Cook it out 10-15 minutes, really get the juices going. Add the Guinness, we're going to cook that right down. Add a little bit of flour. Add a little bit of soy sauce just for that extra umami. Tiny bit of Dijon mustard, just to add a little bit of spice to things. Have a little taste. Spot on. Dip in with a little more seasoning in there, and then we'll just rest that to one side for the filling. Now we're going to roll out the pastry. The recipe is here for the pastry. Just follow the normal procedure for a short crust, but then rather than using butter, we're just going to add in the rapeseed oil and the cold water. Right, we'll roll that out. Line your pie dish. You could just put it straight into a pie dish and use the puff pastry top, like I said. And then we're going to bake that in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes at 160 to 180 degrees, and it will be marvellous.